Good morning everyone and welcome to another video on Mr. Ong Maths Lesson. Hope you guys are enjoying the last few days of your holidays, and today we are doing something different. We are going to play with numbers. So in this video, I am going to guess your mobile number, okay, using mathematical calculation. You don't believe me? Let's go. This is something I found on the internet. But if you think that it is correct, please give me a thumbs up, and so I know that it is true. Okay? So the first thing you need to know, your mobile number must have 10 numbers for this trick to work. So if in New Zealand, most of the numbers start with 021 or 022 or 018. So put the number including the 0 in your number. Okay? So you divide the numbers into 3 different sections. The first 3 number, followed by the next 3, and the last 4 digits. If you are doing the landline, it also works provided it has at least 8 numbers. If you have 8 numbers, put another 0 in front of it, and then it will work. I don't think it will work for 7 numbers because this number is going to be 0. So make sure you have at least 8 numbers. I'll repeat again. If you have 9 numbers, put a 0 in there. If you have 8 numbers, put 2 zeros in there. Okay? So now, the next thing you need to know, you need to take out your calculator. You can use your phone. You can use your computer. And let's go. Okay? So we shall work it out. Okay, so the first thing we need to know, that we're going to break them into the phone number, the 10-digit numbers, into 3 different compartments. The first one, the first 3 numbers, then the next 3, and the last 4. Okay? So first, you enter the first 3 digits of your mobile number in your calculator. Includes the 0. It's 012 or 021, put 021 or 21. Okay? So then, once you have done that, the next step, you've done it? Great. Now we shall take slowly and we'll work it out slowly. Okay? Once you have done that, the first 3 digits in your calculator, now you are going to multiply that number by 40. So every time you add an operation, you multiply, you add, you divide, make sure you press the enter key or the execute key or the equals key, so that you know that you are calculating each step of the way. Okay? Different calculator have different functions. So once you have the first 2 digits, you are going to multiply that with 40. Have you done that? Great. Once you have done that, make sure you press the equal sign or the enter key or the execute key. Then you're going to get another answer. Once you have done that, you are going to multiply the result you found by 25. So first, you enter the 3-digit number, multiply by, then you multiply by 40, press the equal sign, and then you multiply by 25, press the equal sign, and you have another number. So far so good? Great. Now the next step, you're going to add the next 3-digit number in your phone into the result. Okay? So make sure you write it down so you know what is it going to be. So you're going to add the result to the 3-digit number, the next 3-digit number into your calculation. So far so good? Okay, then you press, don't forget to press the equal key or the execute key. Now you have done that, you are going to multiply that result by 50. Okay, I give you time. So have a go, and I repeat again. Put the first 3-digit number, multiply by 40, that is equal, then multiply by 25, press the equal, add the next 3-digit number, press the equal sign, and then you multiply by 50, let it equal. So we have done halfway through. So far so good? Great. Now we shall continue with the next 6 steps, and we should be able to get your numbers very soon. When you're done that, next step, add 1 to your result. Again, don't forget your equal sign. Once you get that, multiply the result by 400. A lot of calculation, but you'll be amazed by how accurate it's going to be. Multiply the result by 400. Again, don't forget to put the equal sign. Okay? And then, you're going to add the last 4 digits of your mobile to the result. Don't forget. Have you done that? Great. And again, you do the next step again. Add the last 4 digits of your mobile again, one more time. So you have to add the last 4 digits twice. First, and then the second time, twice. Okay? So far so good? Great. Last 2 steps, and then we will get your result. Okay, the last 2 steps, you got the answer so far? You are going to divide. Make sure you have the equal sign. After each step, make sure you put the equal sign. Once you have that result, you divide that result by 2. Divide by 2. And the last step, you are going to minus 200 from the result, press the equal sign, and that will give you your phone number. Okay? So the last calculation is going to be your phone number. If your mobile starts with a 0, for example, if 021, the 0 will not appear. So you only have a 9-digit number. Okay? So if you have an 8 number, the first 2 zeros will not appear. So do this and tell me if that works. And thank you for watching. And to summarize, let's do again. If your answer doesn't get it, do one more step. Okay, so first, the summary, make your phone number into 10 digits. It has to be a 10-digit number. If it is 8, make sure you put 2 zeros. If it is 9 digit, make sure you put a 0 in the first number. Okay, so enter the first 3 digits. Make sure you press the enter key or the equal key each time. Multiply by 40. Equal, multiply by 25, equal, you're going to add the next 3 digits, equal, once the answer you multiply by 50, equal, plus 1, equal, times by 400, equal, add the next 4 digits, equal, again add the next last 4 digits, equal. Once you have that, the last 2 steps, you divide by 2, minus 200, and that will give you your phone number. Please tell me whether it works, because I just found this on the internet and I want to make sure it works. Cheers everyone, have a good day and see you soon.